I'm here with another cryptocurrency video, and today I want to share a new BUSD dApp on the Binance Smart Chain with you called FlexDefi. People in my Telegram have already heard about this new dApp, and if you also want to be the first to hear about new miners and farms, please feel free to join. The Telegram link is below this video. If this is all new to you, and you don't know how to use a MetaMask wallet, or how to connect your wallet to the Binance Smart Chain, I will explain everything in these video tutorials on my YouTube channel. FlexDefi is not a real miner like the BUSD farm or the B-Game crypto token platforms. This is a sustainable mining contract that pays out a fixed daily interest, just like the BUSD farmer, which has been repaired and secured by the devs and put online again, with great success. As you may know, BUSD farmer was exploited due to a loophole in the referral code, and a hacker has drained the contract to zero. I had some money invested in the farm, and lost half of it, but the devs did an amazing job and found a way to pay back everyone who suffered from the breach. They deactivated the old farming contract and created a new one where you can earn 5 to 7% payouts per day again on your stablecoin token. This is exceptional in the world of crypto. Other devs would have run away and closed their website and Telegram. But these guys deserve our respect, and that's why I invested again in the new platform. A 10% developer fee goes to a trusted third-party wallet for redistribution to those who lost funds in the original BUSD farmer project, and these tokens will be airdropped to the old wallets until everyone is paid back. It's an amazing achievement and a sign of trustworthiness. Okay, back to the FlexDefi site. The platform was released just yesterday, and according to the BSC scan site, it has already $40,000 in the contract and transactions are coming in, so it looks like a winner. Investors seem to love these smart contracts with fixed daily payouts. The difference with other miners is that these fixed contracts always pay out the same percentage, where regular miner percentage payouts fluctuate, depending on the way you use the platform. If you only cash out and never compound, your mining efficiency rate goes down quickly, and so does your payout rate. Many people complain about the dropping payouts, and call miners Ponzi's and scams, but that's how the miner algorithm works. It's programmed to protect the balance and let everyone earn the same percentage. It also keeps the contract from going to zero. Constantly withdrawing and not compounding to the contract will make your miners worthless in no time, so don't do it. I created a poll in my Telegram group, and most people there voted to compound once per day and withdraw the next day. If you need more info about how to use the best mining strategy, watch the video on my channel. The link is below. There's a white paper available on the website with full details about the technicals, and they also had a haze audit. A 10% tax system that redistributes 4% to the contract and the other 6% to marketing and development must keep the platform sustainable. In other words, if you withdraw $100, then $10 will automatically go back into the contract. Keep that in mind. It will affect your earnings in the long end, but at the same time make it harder for whales with lots of money to withdraw and drain the contract, leaving the small guys out. The contract code was tested with compatible compilers and manually reviewed by the Haze security team. There are no vulnerabilities, backdoors or scam scripts detected. But remember that all these contracts are high risk, high reward, so only invest what you can afford to lose. I keep saying this over and over again, but it's so important. Never listen to other people's advice, not even here on YouTube. I make these videos for entertainment purposes only, and I only use risk capital, or play money that I don't need to experiment in these things. FlexDefi has several staking plans, depending on the risk that you want to take. The info button shows the different plans in detail. There's a 365-day plan with a 2% daily payout, a 40-day plan with 4% payout, a 60-day plan with 3.5% payout, and a 90-day plan with 3% payout per day. Remember that when you put in money in this contract, you can never take it out. It stays there forever. You can only withdraw the interest. That's how it works. I personally invested $500 in the 40-day plan with a 4% daily payout, so if all goes well and nothing bad happens, I will earn $20 every day. That's a 160% profit in total when the plan ends. Let's do the math. Multiply $20 per day by 40 days. That's a total of $800, minus the $500 that I invested, so I will make $300 minus the 10% tax. And that's without compounding. Compounding your daily profits to the balance will increase your earnings, but remember that every time you interact with the contract you pay the 10% penalty tax, so it's best to withdraw or compound every 4 or 5 days to not cut too much in your earnings. Whatever you prefer, the interest can be withdrawn anytime you wish. Okay, that's it. One last tip before I leave. If you want to save a ton of time while managing different mining sites, then I highly recommend the Moonarch app. It's a free tool to keep track of all your miners and farms in one place. I use Moonarch to compound and withdraw from all my mining platforms, and if you want to see how it works, go watch my Moonarch video. The link should be up somewhere on the top or below. It's an absolute time saver, so don't miss it. If you want to find out more about the FlexDefi contract, you'll find the link in the description box. Take a minute to read the white paper and compare the fixed staking plans. This is a new platform and I look at it as a long-term investment. If the contract should go to zero next week or next month, it won't bother me. I can take a loss, because I don't need the money to pay the rent or buy food for my family. But your situation may be different. This is crypto and nothing is ever guaranteed, so always be careful and only invest what you can miss. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and don't forget to join my Telegram channel to get these calls first. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like. Or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get the latest updates first. Thanks again for your time, and wishing you all the best. Have a great day.